Hi friends, Andrea here with a new video for Hip Kit Club. I am working today with the November Hip Kits. My December kits are a little bit delayed, so I'm working on my last project using the November kits. Since it is Mixed Media Monday, I am gonna get a little bit messy here, applying or preparing my page with some clear gesso. And the products that I showed you before have them right here. The Nuvo Mica Mist, and I believe that one is from the October kits. And then I have the Shimmers paints. I'm working with the Mango Tango. All right, and then I also have the ink pad from this month. All of these are from different Hip Kit Club color kit. Just roughing the edges here of the paper using my Team Holtz tool. And I'm doing all this while I wait for my cardstock to be ready. I'm waiting for the gesso to dry. I added some machine stitching details to the edges of each one of these pieces of pattern paper, and now I'm going to adhere them one on top of each other. I think my cardstock is ready, but I'm working on the layers first, and then I'm going to adhere the three pieces all together to the cardstock. That will be after the mixed media has been applied. I just want to test it and mark it on the cardstock. What's the area that will be shown. Now I have to confess, it's been a long time for me since I've been playing with mixed media in this way. This year, I worked on some cleaner projects. I think I felt a little bit more comfortable with that. So you might see here, like I do not have paper towels without patterns, and I didn't even pay attention to that. Didn't even think of that. Now these colors and these sprays that I'm using, I love the colors. And I was not as worried as I thought I was going to be working on the project. I felt pretty comfortable. All I wanted to create was a messy reddish, kind of background, and that worked well for what I wanted. There was one thing though that I would change, and I'll mention it in a few minutes when we get there. So I kind of rushed it, and once I got to this point, I brought my heat gun out and I'm using it. Everything is going great until I spent, there you see, a couple of extra seconds on those spots, and I got the yellow those yellow marks that I didn't really need it. So that would be really the only thing that I would change. But again, I enjoyed the process. I embraced the fact that at this point I'm not feeling that comfortable playing with mixed media, but I still want to try. I still want to try different things and go for it. Now I'm adding super sticky double-sided tape since I have the mixed media, the gesso and the sprays, the paints on the cardstock. I wanted to make sure that my pattern papers stick to the cardstock really well. There we go. That goes on the left corner. Okay, I'm gonna bring my photo back with some foam adhesive. And you can see that I have already a few details on my page. I will end up removing some of them. Not, for example, at the bottom of the page, you can see that cluster with the fussy cut pattern paper. There is a sticker and some enamel dots that would stay. I added some machine stitching details, but the title I will end up changing, and some of the flowers, those are from the pattern, one of the pattern papers from the November kits. Those will also change a little bit. So I'm going to start working on the left side of my page. On the top left, I have those ornaments. Now I have some silver thread that I'm sticking to the page, and then some foam adhesive on those ornaments. They go there, and now my title is gonna go there, and I'm using the chipboard Holiday Fun sticker. These fussy cut pieces from from one of the Pocket Life cards, and now I have these die cuts right here. These the Happy Holidays die cut, I believe that was a printable that I got from when Kimberly first shared the kits digitally, so we would start working with them. And I think that's where that one is from. I believe it is a chipboard sticker if you have the kits. Some enamel dots, and my page is pretty much done. So again, it's a little bit too messy compared to what I've been working on this year, but again, I enjoyed it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure that you stop by the blog and the Facebook page for more inspiration from the team. I believe my December kits should be arriving soon. Brianna has a unboxing video. If you have not received your kits, let's go and check Brianna's video to see what's coming on those amazing December kits. This was Andrea for Hip Kit Club, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.